Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Jong Wichico, and best player of the game, Cyrus Torres. Coach Jong, your system really clicked tonight with Tony coming in hot, then Cyrus stepping up, Robert creating for his teammates, and making timely plays. How do you assess the team's execution and how your key guys complemented each other?
Well, every time you shoot well, your offense seems to be working perfectly. No? So I think the players, we shot well. We shot well tonight. It's good that we played rain or shine in their first game. So medyo rusty sila. Finding still the rhythm. Kami, we already played our first game. We're able to make some adjustments. So, yun. And then we shot well tonight. They made also 90 points. So medyo mataas din yung score nila. 90 ba sila? Right. Yeah, 95. So it's really a high score. So it's good that we shot well tonight.
Cyrus, na kwento mo sa akin na coach, nung kinausap ka ni Coach Jong, sabi niya sa iyo na he knows how unfair it is to ask you, a rookie, na tumulong na buhatin yung team. But you embraced your role, 28 points, 11 out of 12 field goals. Saan galing yan, Cyrus?
Siguro yung mindset ko na gusto kong maka-give back sa mga coaches, kay Coach Jong, sa binibigyan nilang opportunity sa akin. Kasi di ko expect na ganito yung lalaruin ko sa team. And yun nga, parang feeling ko talaga na overwhelm ako always Kasi rookie, di ba? Parang marami nagsasabi na yung chance na makapaglaro agad, sobrang liit. Pero yung binibigay na trust ng mga coaches, yun lang din siguro yung lagi kong dinadala every game na makapag-give back sa kanila.
Ngayon, Cyrus, balik lang tayo ng konting history. Alam mo ba, you are one field goal short para ma-break yung record sa PBA na 12 out of 12 field goals ni Ali Peak back in 2006 when it was Coca-Cola versus Alaska. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Wala akong idea na ganun pala. Pero yun lang, siguro naglaro lang ako na no pressure and girab ko lang yung opportunity na binibigay nila sa akin.